Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at a two set of pliers that the company did send me and did compensate me to make a quick review on. So what this is jewelry making tools. This is a 6-in-1 jewelry making pliers, as well as a no damage wire pliers here. This is like it has a safety plastic all over, so it won't damage your wire. If you want to bend it and move it, that's what this is for, so you won't damage the wire. That's really super important when you're making jewelry, beading, things like that, crafting, all that kind of stuff. You need something like this here that's a soft base plier, so when you want to bend and do something like that, you don't damage the wire, just like you see there. So let's take a quick look at it. I want to show you how this works. So this is a really cool piece here. This is the more like wrapping, if you want to wrap your jewelry. That's what this is for. This is 6-in-1. So what does that mean? So there's the 3 different sizes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Or you can do bigger sizes altogether. So you can do different sizes, configuration, left-handed or right-handed. And I'm going to show you how to use this tool. Again, soft grip handle. It's got a little a spring loaded here, so it goes back into place when you're using it, which is really nice. Good size quality, nice quality material, all steel, and very well made. This is what they look like as a close-up of it. I just want you to see that, how it looks, how it's all made. So what you want to do here is, if you want to make a loop, you're making jewelry, you're making earrings, whatever you're making, you need to have something like this here. And I'm going to show you an example. So say I want to start making a loop out of this wire. So I just want to go around the wire like this here. I'm going to stop, okay? I'm going to release the pliers, going to go back again to the beginning right here, and I'm going to continue that looping. And I can make as many loops as you want. You can see that, like that. I'm going to make one more loop. Give me an example. Okay, so that is one loop here. You can see how that's done. Really, really super easy. And if you want to make a smaller one, so say you want to continue doing that, so let's start here. Again, we'll just start wrapping it around here, like that. And we'll just wind it backward, just like you see here. So basically, you want to just use it as however you want to. Okay, so now that's two different sizes. You can see perfectly done, 2 different sizes. And if I want to make another one, go back here. So a smaller one, let's say I want to go a little further down and go down here and start wrapping and then stopping and then just moving it back. And that's how it works. You just move it back a little bit like that. And you can see, so now I made 3 little cool loops. Now this could be a piece of jewelry. You can snip this off here. If you want to make it straight, you can use this little tool here to straighten it out, like that. And that's the idea behind these tools. So you can do things without damaging your project. So this is what it looks like finished. Gives you an idea, gives you an example how you can do that. If you want to move this straight, you can just move this up. So that's the idea behind these tools. So again, that's what these are for. So you can straighten them out, you can use them, you can twist and turn. Great for earrings, crafting, beading, all kinds of stuff. That's what these are for. And I actually really like them quite a bit. Again, a lot of options, a lot of flexibility in all these types of tools. I like how it makes these circles. Just move it back and forth like that there. Just keep wrapping it around. You can see, just like that. And that's it. Super simple, super easy to use. So I want to thank them for sending it to me. I think it's a great tool, nice high quality. They work exactly as intended, and I definitely got to recommend these for sure. I think they're going to last you a long time, and you're going to be able to make some nice craft projects. Definitely the way to go. Thanks for watching.